Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually connect your Amazon account with your Rockstar Social Club account. Now it's very easy, let's get straight into it. Now as you can see, you can't do it from out the games launcher. Now what you have to do is simply go to the top right where the little Rockstar icon appears. You press it and it will take you to the manage account. Now, once you've clicked it, the browser will open up and it will take you to the settings of your Rockstar Social Club account. Now here you can already see the linked accounts option. Now, once you press it, it will take you to this page where you can link all your accounts with Social Club. And as you can see, the last option appears to be Amazon. You simply press link account and it will take you to your Amazon page. Now here you can simply sign into your Amazon login and it will link it to a Social Club. Now it's easy as that. If you still got any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.